Hello everyone. So let us start with the Amazon S3. What is S3? S3 is nothing but a simple storage service. The full form of the S3 is a simple storage service. In Amazon space, if you want to use a storage, okay, if you want to store any kind of your media file, any kind of the file, we generally use a Amazon S3, and Amazon S3 is one of the widely used service in a AWS space. Okay, and you will get to see whenever you are working in any kind of the industry also, if they are using a AWS as a cloud, so they will definitely use a Amazon S3 for their storage service. Okay, so let us try to understand what is S3. S3 is a secure. Okay, one of the advantages like and one of the benefits is like it is a secure, it is a durable, and it is highly scalable object storage. Okay, so we should always remember what is S3. S3 is nothing but it is a object storage. Means we will try to understand what is the object storage. Object storage is nothing but we can upload any kind of the file, whether it is a media file, whether it is any kind of the file, audio file, video file, any kind of the file you can store into Amazon S3, and there is no limit. Okay, there is no limit. You can upload any kind of the file, any size of the file into Amazon S3. Okay, S3 is easy to use with a simple web service interface to store and retrieve any amount of the data from anywhere on the web. Okay, so it is saying like once you will upload the file, you can access your file through a network if you are in anywhere on the web. Okay, you just need your network. Okay, if you have a through a web, you can access whatever the file you are uploading, you can access from anywhere. So that is the advantage of the Amazon S3. Okay, S3 is a safe place to store your file. Okay, it is object based storage. Object based storage is nothing but you are going to store your file any kind of the file you can store in Amazon S3. Files can be from 0 bytes to the 5 terabyte. Okay, so the maximum one file which you can upload, the size should be 0 bytes to the 5 terabyte. Okay, if you are using a console. Okay, if you are using a CLI, the file size should be a 5 GB. Okay, you can upload a multiple file. Okay, 5 TB, 5 TB, 5 TB, that is fine, but one file should be in a maximum up to the 5 TB. If you are using a console, if you are using a CLI, it should be 5 GB. Okay, there is unlimited storage. Okay, you can upload any kind of the file size. Okay, into a, there is no limit for the storage. There is a unlimited storage we have. Only whatever the file you are storing, you have to pay for that. Okay, objects are stored in a buckets, and S3 bucket name must be unique globally. Okay, whenever you will create a S3 bucket, the name should be unique. Okay, and it is built for the 99.99% availability for the S3 platform. Amazon guarantee 99.99% the durability. Okay, and we have some of the lifecycle management, versioning, encryption, secure your data using access control list and bucket policy, that actually we will explore once we will do a practical. Okay, so what is S3? S3 is nothing but a object based storage service. We can upload any kind of the file. Okay, one file should be up to a 5 terabyte. If you are using a console, if you are using a CLI, you can upload at a one time, one file should be up to a 5 GB. Okay, 99% availability you will be fine into a Amazon S3, and Amazon guarantee 99% the durability. So these are the some of the advantage of the Amazon S3.